It's kids time! Hello everyone! Today we will draw Princess Ariel. First draw the head frames and the eyes, eyelash, eyebrow and legs. Long hair. Draw ears, body and two hands. Finishing the hair and draw the clothes. Draw the leg like a fish. Draw boulders. Great! It's time to coloring. Light blue color for the eyes. Red color for the eyebrow and hair. Reddish brown color for the hair shadow. Light brown color for Princess Ariel's skin. For top boulders. Purple color for Princess Ariel clothes. Green color for Princess Ariel fishtail. Dark green color. Light green color. Last brown color for the boulders. Great job! If you like the video, press like and subscribe this channel. Thank you and see you in next video. Bye bye!